Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to Wi-Fi without a password on your laptop. Many people wonder if this is possible, and indeed, there are a few legitimate methods. We'll explore how to use Wi-Fi protected setup, often called WPS, which simplifies the connection process. We will also discuss how to safely access open public networks that do not require a password at all. Let's dive in and make your Wi-Fi connection seamless. One of the most common ways to connect without typing a password is through Wi-Fi Protected Setup, or WPS. This feature is designed to make connecting new devices much easier and more secure than simply sharing a password. You'll typically find a small button labeled WPS on your router, usually on the back or side. Pressing this button initiates a brief window, usually about 2 minutes, during which your laptop can connect automatically. Connecting using WPS is quite straightforward. First, navigate to your laptop's network settings and select the Wi-Fi network you wish to join. Look for an option that says Connect using WPS button or enter a WPS PIN. Once you've selected this, immediately go to your router and press its WPS button. You usually have about 30 seconds to complete this action, and your laptop should then connect automatically and securely. Another way to connect without a password is by using open public Wi-Fi networks. These networks are often found in cafes, airports, or libraries and do not require any security key to join. While convenient, it's crucial to remember that these networks are typically unsecured. This means your data could be vulnerable. Always use a virtual private network, or VPN, if possible, and avoid sensitive activities like online banking when connected to open Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.